Hello, good day, everyone. I hope all is well. Work at home hive with a position with the company North Coast Medical. This is a customer service representative remote position. It is a full-time position with the pay being between $24 up to $28 an hour. So it states that the company has established itself as a global leader in the occupational, physical, and hand therapy markets. Some of their benefits are a competitive salary, excellent benefits such as medical, dental, vision, life insurance, PTO, 401k, match employee assistant program, as well as the opportunity to work from home. So the hours are Monday through Friday between 7:30 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time with the possibility of overtime. The overview of this position, you would be responsible for all aspects of customer service, order taking, and processing. You would field and document complaints, shipment errors, general billing questions, and other inquiries. You would assure customer satisfaction. The essential functions of this job is inbound call response, inbound chat response, ERP, order data entry, customer satisfaction, teamwork, and dependability. So with that, you would officially handle customer telephone orders. You would facilitate new customer accounts into the company's database. You will also process customers' return authorizations and credit documentations, maintain telephone availability standards, efficiently handle customer chat inquiries and activities, as well as the ability to handle multiple chats simultaneously. You would officially enter customers' order into the processing platform and maintain or exceed established productivity standards. You will resolve customers' issues, show professionalism, escalate customer situations, as well as demonstrate the ability to work effectively with team members and colleagues, as well as others. So with this position, they do require an associate's or bachelor's degree. 2 or more years of customer service experience is preferred, but not required. Experience working in a call center environment is required. Experience using computer and specialized software application. Proficiency in Microsoft Office, which includes Excel, Word, and Outlook, and experience using Office machine and equipment. So with this position, they state that you do need to provide high-speed internet connection. And if you are interested in this position, this is one of the one-page quick application. So you would just put in your information, attach your resume, then give you the option to attach your cover letter, and then you can just click on submit application. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys will have a good day.